Hey guys, what's up? So you see me through two cameras. What we have here today is, and I have notes to remind me because it's hard to remember all this stuff these days. Um, to our right side, we have the Runcam Split 3 Lite Nano FPV HD camera. Um, that is 165 field of view. That does 1080p 60 frames per second with a WDR FPV camera. Um, the camera board and the camera, itself is replaceable. It is a 14 by 14 mounting for that. Obviously, that's because it's all in this Gobroke case here that we got. The board is a 29 by 29 with 20 by 20 mounting holes. What we got here? We got 5 to 20 on the power. You can put 5 to 20 volts into this thing. It's got a replaceable lens, so obviously, like I said, if you damage the lens, you can actually just take it and unplug it from the board and get rid of it and put another one on there. Weight of it is 7.8 grams. Now, when you put it into the Naked Gobroke, we're up to about 22, or I think right around 19 it was. I'm sorry, it was 19 grams where we were. So, okay. So now, to the left of you guys here, we have the Runcam thumb. I can't remember if the Split 3 did audio or not, but I know the Runcam thumb does, so we'll just use the same audio. So anyway, we have the Runcam thumb, which is 1080p, 60 frames per second. Close right there, same thing. This one has a built-in gyro, because gyro flow is a new thing. People's been using that, so that's capable of being used for that. It's a mini Sizeo, as they say it. And you guys will see pictures of it, once we upload this. As you can see in the photos that we've added, the size difference. So you have lens protection. Both can have added ND filters onto them. This is 150 field of view versus 165 field of view on the Runcam Split 3. Power options for this is 5 volts. Neither one have an onboard battery, or everything's wired into your drone itself. It's to lighten everything up for the whoops. Where are we at on this? Size on this guy is 52 millimeters by 13 millimeters by 19 millimeters, and at a weight of 9.8 grams. So there's our notes. We can get rid of that. I had to do that. I would never remember all that compared to both of them. So we're going to show you the difference on it. The sun is kind of not out with us. I want to do the whole towel test. Nick Burns, I love when he does that. When he takes the cameras out, he puts the towel in there and pulls it back. We can still do that to show you guys. So let's just try to look towards the brightest part of the sky, I guess. It's going to be where we're going to be at with that. And we'll just lay the towel over it. And we'll take the towel away. Okay? Do it again, and take the towel away. Again, I saw that over on Nick Burns. I thought that was really cool when he did that. So anyway, let's just go ahead and walk around here. We're going to go out the steps here. Go down the steps. I'm not going to be, trying to hold it stable. I'm going to rock it side to side so we can kind of see what the differences is. So you can see different colors, different things, what's going on. I got them both mounted to here, and they're both at the same angle. So you get the same exact angle, nothing different. Kind of make it as fair as possible. I'm seeing this. Don't mind my yard. It's kind of busted and beat up. We're coming out of coldness here. Let's give you some color there. Give you some up close, maybe. See which one does better. We'll pull back away from it. And I got this mounted to a frame, so everything is powered off the same. They're side by side, so we're going to give you the fairest comparison as we possibly can. So we're just going to walk around over here, get close to things, kind of as if we was flying, kind of. Let's give it a roll. Roll it back, So kind of want to give it a comparison. We're going to do some bouncing now. Now we're on a quad. It's not tuned all that great. You're never going to have a quad bouncing this much, but you can kind of get where I'm at. We'll give it the tap test. Just different things. Yes, I live in a trailer park. So I just want to give you like the honest comparison we possibly can, and this is not to just show you which one. I guess there's really no comparison if it comes to size is where I'm at with it. I'm trying to think here as I go. So the thumb's going to beat it all day long, and this is the no firmware update on the thumb. This is just straight out of the box. Just trying to think in my mind, like, what could you compare this to show people, because a lot of people might be wondering, you know, what's going on, the difference from the Gobroke that you guys did. Well, that's what we're here to show you, and I don't know neither. I'm trying to just show it here, and we'll see how it goes. Audio wise, like I said, I don't remember if the Runcam Split 3 did audio. I know the thumb does. So yeah, we're just trying to see what happens. You know, obviously you can't mimic a quad because you have all the vibrations. So just trying to seeing how it goes. From what I've seen so far online, the thumb kind of seems like it has a shaky image until it's actually into the gyro flow program. Then it looks actually really good. And to be able to take that and mount that to a Whoop, I mean, that's insane. Because the Gobroke, got to be fair, that's still, say, a credit card size. So think of that versus this guy's the size of your thumb. I mean, it literally is exactly what they say. So okay, so there's going to be that. Is that sun going to pop back out? I don't think he is. Looks like it wants to. But okay, there it is. I hope everything I did. I'm trying to think what else could I do to show you, other than we could put them on a drone and actually go fly it. And this rig that I have set up, I actually can do that. I actually built the rig just for this, and we could attach this to like a 7-inch or something and take it out and fly it, and then let you guys see the difference. You know, get it mounted solid where there's no vibration, and that's about the only next best thing I know you can do with it besides just showing this. So like I said, just different. Show you some colors. It is kind of a bland day. I wish it was kind of more the sun popping and stuff like that, but we got out of the coldness. It's been 65 the past 2 days. I'm gonna take that. So alright guys, there it is. Let's go in and check out the footage, and we'll see what we got. Like I said, you're mounted on a quad frame, same angle, everything the same with them. As far as field of view, 150 versus 165, 1080p versus 60 frames per second. That's on both of them.
Tell me pretty lies.